Hi, my name is Bob McGinn, and I'm a strategic advisor here at JourneyTrack. In my last video, which is in the comments, I showed how teams can use JourneyTrack's Proto-Persona AI when they actually don't have customer data. So they can utilize the feature if they have hypotheses or assumptions that they could input here, use the AI to generate those personas, and then refine and share those with their stakeholders. But today, what I want to do is showcase when you actually do have data and how JourneyTrack can help you there. This is one of the key ways I believe teams will initially start to see ROI from JourneyTrack by really dramatically reducing the time it takes to move from raw customer feedback or data to usable outputs like personas that teams can act on. So let's talk about data-driven personas. So let's start with a use case. We have a credit card product team at a financial services company that conducted 10 focus groups with 10 customers each. So approximately 100 customers, which is a nice size qualitative data set. By the way, this can be any unstructured data. It can be CRM notes, transcripts from contact center calls, any unstructured data. But again, for this use case, we have focus group conversations. The team has the transcripts for the focus groups, and they really need to quickly understand the different types of customers they heard from. And this is where JourneyTrack provides two key ways to do that. Let's talk first about defined personas. So let's say the team has a sense of the personas they expect to see. Maybe they were able to listen to the transcripts, took notes, and were able to gather their thoughts. And what they can begin to do is put some parameters around the AI. They can state how many personas they would expect. They could name those personas, provide some brief descriptions, and then upload the data. JourneyTrack's AI will then analyze it to validate those groups, identify key patterns, and even surface new personas the team may not have considered. But people are extremely busy. And let's just say the team didn't have time to do that. That's where emergent personas comes into play and can really save the team time. So what we can do is utilize the feature. We can put in a brief description on what we want the AI to look for, and then we can upload the data. Once I actually hit create persona, JourneyTrack begins to analyze the transcripts for patterns. It'll look for motivations, frustrations, jobs to be done, demographics, or any other key persona attributes. For this data set, the process took about 3 minutes. So what I will do to speed things up, though, is just jump straight to the output. So now you can see JourneyTrack generated 6 distinct personas from the data. Each one of these personas will have their own persona page. You can see that it was AI generated. This is the persona page for the points maximizer. You can then begin to edit this profile page however you like. You can add an image, again, utilizing AI. All of the information here are in cards that can be moved around very easily or updated however you like. What you can then begin to do is save these as templates. So maybe the point maximizer could be utilized by another credit card team. They could take it and then build off of that for their use case. You could share it across the organization as a link to the profile page or just as a PNG, PDF, or PowerPoint. The key thing to take away here is that JourneyTrack will now help teams really move much faster from, say, raw research or data to practical assets like these personas that can actually be used across the organization. But what we want to do in the next video is go even farther and show you how you can actually take the same data set that we use to create these personas to actually create a customer journey and then connect the two. So I really look forward to showcasing that. So keep an eye out for that video. And in the meantime, thank you for watching.